So in this video, you learn how to switch your idle pose in Where Winds Meet. Now your idle pose is simply the pose that you take whenever you're not doing anything in-game. So when you're just standing still like this, that is your idle pose. So in order for you to change it to something completely different, you're going to have to navigate to menu and then select appearance. From here, switch to extras and then scroll down through the options until you find idle pose. Now you have different poses available for you. You have majestic, you have elegant, and you have heroic bear. With each selection, you'll be able to see how it looks like so that you can make your choice very easily. Once you're happy with the pose that you've chosen, you can go ahead and ensure that you've selected it, and then you can return. Now, whenever you're idle, you should be able to see the pose that you've just chosen has been successfully equipped. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.